Heard of them as Wikey or Wikey SP-6 toothpaste? It's being advertised as a game changer for whitening your teeth and improving oral health with 6 probiotics. But does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped product? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, everything in this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Always do your own research, especially when it comes to health and wellness products. According to the official site, the SP-6 toothpaste claims to whiten teeth, fight bad breath, and balance oral bacteria, all thanks to 6 types of probiotics. Sounds fancy, right? But here's the thing, there's no clinical data linked on the page, no ingredient breakdown beyond buzzwords, and barely any real customer reviews. That doesn't mean it's fake, but it's definitely not fully transparent either. So, is it legit? It's a real product, sure, but the claims are a bit much for a toothpaste with no third-party testing or strong reviews to back them up. If you're curious, try it, but don't expect miracle results. Now, have you tried to use a SP-6 toothpaste? Drop your honest take in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real talk reviews and trending wellness stuff.